Okay, so good afternoon, students. Today we will be discussing about the specimen. I'll show you some specimen and I'll ask any one of you to say about the specimen. So this is the first specimen. This third is this. Fourth is this. Fifth is this. Sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. These are the these are the 10 specimen. So any one of you have to say about this. Okay, first question goes to Kajal. Kajal, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Completely clear or how?
Not completely clear, ma'am, but a little bit clear.
Okay. Okay, Kajal, you say you choose any specimen.
Ma'am, heart.
Heart. Okay. Okay, start.
Ma'am, heart is a roughly cone-shaped hollow muscular organ, and it is about 10 centimeter long, and is about the size of the honor fist. It weighs about 225 gram is women, and is heavier in men, about 310 gram. And the heart is three layer: epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. And the location, the heart lies in the thoracic cavity in the mediastinum, the space between the lungs.
Okay. So the heart has how many chambers?
And four:
Can you name them?
right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle.
Okay. Okay, good. Next question goes to Mesmin. Mesmin de Burma, can you hear me? Yes. Mesmin de Burma, can you hear me? Okay, Kintiu. What about Kintiu? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kintiu, can you tell me about the circulatory system of the heart? Yes. Can you say? Can you say or not? Miracle.
Ma'am.
Okay, can you say about the circulatory system of the heart?
The uh, superior and inferior vena cava, the blood goes through the right atrium. As the blood enters the right ventricle, the blood goes through the tricuspid valve as it enters the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps blood through your pulmonary valve. Then the right and the left pulmonary arteries carry the blood away from the heart to the lungs for oxygen. As it goes from the left atrium to the left ventricle, blood passes through the bicuspid valve.
No, you forgot about.
Oxygen.
Wait. You forgot about pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
It goes inside the pulmonary veins and it enters to the left atrium. Say that one also.
Ma'am.
Say that one also.
As the pulmonary valve is good, the right atrium pumps blood through your pulmonary valves. As it goes through the pulmonary valve,
It goes to the pulmonary arteries, not it.
yes, ma'am, it goes through the pulmonary arteries, carry the blood away from the heart to the lungs for oxygen. As it goes from the left arteries to the left ventricle, the blood passes through the bicuspid valve.
No,
Make sure the blood flow.
wait. You are saying it's not correct. Means as soon as it will enter into the pulmonary artery, na? So the blood will go to the lungs. After that, it will come through the pulmonary veins. It's not it. Huh? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, it will come to the pulmonary veins and will enter into the left atrium. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Say that.
Let's go for the left atrium to the till the blood passes through the blood plus through the valve. Then the oxygen blood leaves the lungs and returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins and enter the left atrium. The blood then is pumping from the left ventricle through the aortic valve back into the aorta. The left atrium pumps blood to the left ventricles and it pumps to the aorta to repeat the whole circle again.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Moichong. Moichong form. Can you hear me, Moichong? Can you hear me or not, Moichong? Nafishisha? Nafishisha? Nianu? Nyanu, Rinkumoni,
Sudah.
Rinkumoni, Sachi, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Sachi?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Which one will you choose?
I will choose, ma'am. Brain.
Start.
Okay, ma'am. The brain is center of our thought and the origin of control over body movement. And there are four parts of the brain. First, cerebrum. Second, diencephalon. Third, brainstem, and fourth, cerebrum. And there are four lobes. First, frontal lobe. Second, parietal lobes. Third, occipital lobes, and fourth, temporal lobe.
Okay. Can you say the function of which lobe? Okay, which function? I mean, which lobe will you say? You choose any lobe, I mean function.
Function.
So
Frontal
which
lobe
will,
function.
okay, say
Uh, Personality, behavior, emotion, and speaking and writing.
anything
uh,
else.
Body movement,
Uh,
and self-conscious.
okay. Okay, next, Sajarika. Sajarika, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, you choose any one.
Ma'am, cardiovascular system.
Cardiovascular system. If so many students have already chosen, you please choose another. You can choose another. Anything else?
Ma'am, heart.
Heart, cardiovascular system, the same thing. Can you choose anything else? Anything else apart from this? Huh.
I doesn't know much about honor. So
Okay, then. Okay, you say, you start.
heart.
Yes.
Heart is roundly cone shaped and hollow muscular organ, and it's about 10 centimeter long, and its size is uh, the honor of fist.
Not the honor of this. Honors fist, you say. Say.
Honor fist. Ma'am,
Huh.
what you have said, I understand.
Honors fist.
Honor fist,
Okay.
and it weight is 225 gram, and men have a man heart is more heavier than the woman, and it's 310, and it lies between uh, thoracic cavity. Ma'am,
Huh.
that's my
Start.
opinion.
You know about cardiovascular system, circulatory system. Huh? Do you know about the circulatory? Yes. How your blood circulates.
Uh,
This one.
yes, ma'am.
Start.
Cardiovascular system. Cardio means heart, and vascular means blood vessel.
Okay, you say like the from the superior and the inferior vena cava, blood comes through these. Like you say.
The right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs, and the pulmonary circulation when
Pulmonary
gas
circulation.
changes occur.
Wait. How pul how comes pulmonary circulation? It's not like that. From the superior and inferior vena cava, the deoxygenated blood comes and enters into the right atrium. You see like that. And after that it goes through the valve, which is known as what? This valve is known as what? Can anyone say?
Pulmonary valve.
No, pulmonary valve is upside. This valve is known as what? Can anyone say?
Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve. So it will go through this tricuspid valve. After that, it will enter to the right ventricle. After that, they will go up, which is known as pulmonary valve. And pulmonary, when you enter into the pulmonary, it is divided into two parts. It is the right and the left pulmonary artery. After that, it will go to the lungs. Now it will turn into oxygenated blood. Go to the lungs. Okay, and from the lungs, it will turn again through what? Through the pulmonary veins. Through the pulmonary veins, they will enter, and they will enter where? To the left atrium. After that, it will go down through one valve, which is known as mitral valve. After that, it will go to the left ventricle. After that, again, it will go up, which is known as aortic valve. Afterwards, aorta. After aorta, it will supply blood. What kind of blood? Oxygenated blood. It will supply oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, and the circulation will goes on and on. It will be constant. Do you understand now, Sacharika? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't forget. These things I've repeated many times. Okay, next, Pani. Next, Sapani.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Choose any one from this specimen.
Small intestine, ma'am.
Start.
Small intestine is made up of three segments. Number one, duodenum, and jejunum, and ileum. The small intestine is a 22 food that breaks down the food using enzyme released by the pancreas and bile from the liver. The duodenum is the first segment of the small intestine. It is largely responsible for the continuous breaking down process. The jejunum and ileum is a lower in the intestine. This jejunum and ileum are the mainly responsible for the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream.
Okay, good.
And the peristalsis also work in this organ, moving food through mixing it with the digestive juice from the pancreas and liver.
Okay, next, Shanti. Shanti. Srijana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, lungs.
Lungs.
Lungs are the center of the respiratory system. There are two lungs in human body, the right and the left lung. It is a spongy and pinkish organ which are surrounded by the rib cage on the front and vertebral column on the back. The right lung is divided into three lobes and left lung is divided into two lobes.
Okay. So the lungs are responsible for what? Respiratory system, right? Breathing in, breathing out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So inside the lungs, what is there? Just like breathing
Inside the
structure, I
lungs.
said. No? Just like
Yes.
grapes, I said. No? So what is the name of that? Alveoli. Do you remember alveoli?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In alveoli, what happens? Exchange of gas happens or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are those two gas? Name of the gas? Can you say?
Oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Okay, good. Okay. Next, Subhash.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Subhash, you choose any one from here.
Liver, ma'am. Liver is the second largest after the skin organs in the human body and the largest gland. It is a weightage average of the 1500 gram. There are four lobes, right lobes, left lobe, and cardiac lobes.
Not cardiac, quadrant.
Oh, quad,
Quadrant lobe. Okay.
equa- inquadate lobe.
Caudate.
In caudate,
Not in is not there.
oh,
Only caudate.
caudate lobe.
Okay. Okay. Tell me about the function.
There are, it is the main job within the digestive system. It is a process the nutrition obtained from the small intestine and waste from the liver get into the small industry also play an
Small
important role.
industry. Wait, what did you say?
Also
Small industry?
in ingest
Small what?
intestine.
Intestine. Okay, not industry. Okay, say.
Also play an important role is digesting fat and some vitamins.
Uh,
The
and
liver is also di- detoxified
detoxify.
detoxified
Huh. Detoxification means what? Detoxification means
to chemical.
what chemicals? What do they do? They make alive. I mean, all the toxic particles, or they kill them. Huh? Yes. They kill them or they make them alive.
What, ma'am?
They kill all the toxic particles or else they make them alive. Which one? Which one?
Potential
Huh? Kill or
potential
alive? What
harmful,
is
ma'am.
harmful? Okay, it's toxin is harmful, okay. But what do? They kill them or they make them alive? I'm asking that.
Kill, ma'am.
Kill, okay. So you say like that. They kill the harmful chemicals, that is toxins.
Chemical.
Okay. So did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, that's all for today's class. Yeah, anatomy practical. Do you have any doubts? Anyone? No, no? Okay. Okay then.
Ma'am,
Huh?
that the heart I don't understand that deoxygenated and oxygenated.
Deoxygenated means what? Absence of oxygen. And oxygenated means presence of oxygen. So,
Ma'am, I can hear your voice properly.
this is the right side, right? And this is the left side. So
Yes, ma'am.
the right side they will have what blood? Deoxygenated. Deoxygenated means absence of oxygen. And left side means oxygenated blood. It means presence of oxygen, rich in oxygen.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, that's all for today's class.